In this video, I am going to show you the process of making low-priced chicken feed mixed with grass. Begin by cutting Napier grass from your field or designated area. Harvesting should be done at the right stage of maturity. When the grass has optimal nutritional value, cut it into small pieces to facilitate easier mixing with the chicken pellets. The grass should be finely chopped or shredded to ensure even distribution throughout the feed. Combine the chopped Napier grass with the chicken pellets. Use the right proportions to maintain the desired nutritional balance in the feed. Mix the Napier grass and pellets thoroughly to ensure even distribution. This step is crucial to make sure that each portion of the feed contains a proper blend of both components. You can start feeding the mixture to your chickens. Monitor their consumption and adjust the feed amounts as needed, based on their nutritional requirements and growth stages. Remember that the proportion of Napier grass and pellets in the blend should be balanced and appropriate for the specific needs of your chickens. If you are uncertain about the right mix or need advice on chicken nutrition, consult with a poultry or a veterinarian for guidance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.